I think there are 3 different sales to be made in a restoration business. You might disagree. I'm curious to hear your feedback. I'm going to talk about all 3. I'm going to circle back to number 1 at the end of the video and dive into that a little bit more. So the first type of sale is you've got to do something to make the phone ring, right? Could be through networking, could be through hiring a sales rep, could be pay-per-click, LSA, lead gen companies, SEO companies, plumbers, you name it. There's a whole bunch of different ways to make the phone ring, right? The second one is what I call the setter. It's the appointment setter. When that phone rings, you better do a darn good job on that call. I made a video about that, and I talk about the 3 elements of the call that have to be strong. You've got to be empathetic, you've got to be confident, and you've got to have a sense of urgency. You've got to get that person who needs your help scheduled the very first time they call you. Not later, not we're going to have somebody call you back right away, or you run the risk of losing the job. So that's the second sale. The third sale is the closer. That's the person who is going out to the home, going out to the commercial property, and getting that work authorization or contract signed. That's the third sale, right? You can have the first 2 and blow it on the third one, the closer, and you don't have a job, right? You can do great. You can make your phone ring all day long, but if you blow it with number 2, the setter, no job to go out to for the third type of sale, right? Okay. So back to number 1. What are you doing about lead generation? You've got to spend money. There's different ways to do it. I like to think about sales, lead generation, diversification. I like to have a wide variety of referral sources and ways to generate the leads, right? I'm not opposed to any of them. I think a great combination is to have a little bit of everything. Salesperson or salespeople out there in the field making sales calls is a great way to diversify. It helps you to not be so beholden to TPAs, lead gen companies, the algorithms. It's just such a great way to build relationships in your local community. If you want to learn more about how you can train, hold accountable, keep motivated, give feedback to a salesperson or salespeople on your team, I've got a program called the Restoration Sales Academy, which was built about 4 years ago now at this point, exactly for that purpose. It's great also because they end up having a peer network, a peer community, and they don't feel like they're all alone out there. It can be very lonely as a salesperson, getting shut down throughout the day, just, getting by on those occasional wins. But that's what keeps salespeople going, right? And so if they can hear that from other people on a weekly call, it's a great way to keep them fired up and fueled to go out there and keep asking for work. Okay, so just to wrap up, think about sales with these 3 buckets. You've got to do something to generate the lead. You've got to do a great job on that intake phone call, and you've got to do a great job of closing the job on the home site or at the commercial property site. If you want to learn how I help my clients get more profitable, reduce the chaos in their business, and build sellable businesses, just book a call with me. No pressure. I guarantee you, at the very least, if you have a little notepad or you're taking notes or we've got the AI call recorder going, you're going to come away with some action items that help you make your business a little bit better. Talk to you soon. I'll see you in the next video.